Are you ready to take 2024 by storm and unlock your full potential? Well, get ready, because it's time to dive headfirst into the incredible world of monk mode. Let me share an exhilarating story that showcases the transformative power of monk mode. Picture this: hours of deliberate guitar practice, isolated from the distractions of the world. Now, it may sound daunting, but trust me, the results were mind-blowing. With consistent dedication and unwavering focus, I witnessed a remarkable improvement in my skills. Monk mode is truly the secret sauce when it comes to mastering an instrument. But hold on, because we're not stopping there. Now let's talk about the profound impact monk mode can have on your professional life. Imagine conquering challenging tasks like cold calling and cold emailing for customer acquisition. Sounds tough, doesn't it? But with monk mode as your guiding light, you can tackle these seemingly insurmountable tasks head-on. Through focused study and relentless outreach efforts, you can not only master these techniques but also secure high-paying clients. The power of monk mode to propel your professional growth is simply unparalleled. But what are the incredible benefits of embracing monk mode? Picture a life where your priorities take center stage, where every action you take aligns with your goals. Talk about fulfillment like never before. And here's the cherry on top: you gain full control over your own destiny. It's nothing short of incredible. But that's not all. Monk mode works wonders for your physical health too. By making mindful food choices, establishing invigorating exercise routines, and nurturing your overall well-being, you'll feel stronger, healthier, and more energized than ever before. It's a holistic transformation that will leave you jumping with joy. One of the most remarkable benefits of monk mode is the crystal clear clarity it brings. By stripping away distractions, your mind becomes a beacon of focus and purpose. You'll make life-altering decisions with unwavering confidence, bidding farewell to doubt forever. And guess what? Monk mode liberates you from the chains of addiction to distractions, granting you independence from external influences. No longer will you be controlled by the temptations that hinder your progress. You become the master of your own destiny. Talk about empowerment. Now let's get down to business and explore how you can successfully implement monk mode. To begin, carve out a schedule that showcases your daily routines during monk mode. Prioritize what truly matters, bid farewell to time-consuming activities, and equip yourself with concentration-enhancing tools. Remember, self-awareness is key. Identify those sneaky activities that sabotage your focus and eliminate them from your routine like a boss. Entering monk mode in a world filled with distractions may seem like a Herculean task, but fear not, my friend, you've got this. Start by setting specific rules for yourself, make them non-negotiable. Remember, discipline is the secret ingredient to success. Take small steps each day to develop your discipline muscle and watch it grow stronger with time. And hey, don't forget about the power of community. Find an accountability partner or join a like-minded group that will cheer you on throughout your monk mode journey. Celebrate each milestone along the way because you deserve it. My fellow seekers of greatness, adopting the monk mode mentality is your ultimate key to unlocking the extraordinary in 2024. Prioritize your goals, bid farewell to distractions, cultivate self-discipline, and stay steadfast in your efforts. Brace yourself for personal growth, unparalleled success, and a transformation that will leave you in awe. Remember, your journey starts now. Embrace the monk mode mentality and get ready to witness the revolution within yourself.